Guys, I think I figured out who's driving this car that I'm trapped in. It's PZ Foof and his dance moves. Wait a minute. I don't see my phone anywhere. Did PZ Foof take my phone?
Where am I going? Oh, I need to back up. Beep, 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 beep. Oh, 9.
Did Foof just hit something?
9. Oh, 9. Big old bruise on car.
Foof, you big old sack of potatoes.
You spy ninja, shut up. It's not funny. Oh, 9!
Did Foof just run something over again?
Oh, 9! Big dent! Hello? PZ44, can you come and help me mid-mission?
You put dents all over this brand new Project Zorgo truck.
Yeah, thanks for saving me.
Yeah, I don't know about all that.
I walk home.
See you back at the headquarters.
Dankeschön.
All right. Before we go, I sure gotta find some smooth jazz on this radio station. Hope you like that, PZ4.
Smooth jazz? Guys,
Now that's the good song right there.
my phone's right there. PZ44 seems distracted. Okay. I got it. Let's start vlogging on here. I'm gonna start vlogging on my phone now. It uploads to the cloud much faster. Okay, there's PZ. Oh!
PZ4, what are you doing?
What? No!
Give me that. PZ4, you think you're pretty slick trying to grab your phone, but I got it now.
No, give it!
And I'm gonna toss it out the window.
No!
Well, alright. If it ain't Regina's phone. I'll take this. This'll be a nice little collection for the headquarters. Alright, let's get going.
No! My phone's over there! Some guy in a black pickup truck just took my phone! How are the spiders gonna track my location now?